Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and I'm going to show you how to create a simple metal shader in Unity HDRP. So let's begin by creating a shader graph in our assets folder here. Just assets folder, then I created a folder called the shaders. So before we jump in, I want you to download this texture. The link is in the description below, so just download it and then you'll just drag it in some folder called textures. You can just drag it in there. Now another important step, when you import it, click on the texture, change the texture type to normal map, then click apply. Now we can jump into the creation of the shader. Open up the shaders folder, right click and create shader and then PBR graph. We can call it metal. We call it metal color shader. Double click on it to open it in shader graph editor. We can maximize the window so you can all see what I'm actually doing. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the properties we need for the shader to work. First, we're going to assign a texture to D. We're going to call it metal bump. We're going to change the reference to metal bump as well. Metal bump. And then I'm going to change the texture to the metal bump we downloaded from the link in the description. Change it to that. Next, we're going to add a color property and change it to metal color. Next, change the reference to metal color as well. Next, change the default color to something like dark grayish, like dark gray, like this. Next, let's start with adding the nodes. So right click, create node, and then create a sample texture 2D node. And then you're going to drag in the metal bump texture into your view, and then just select the node connection and drag it into the texture 2D slot. And another important step is to go on the texture 2D and change the type to normal. If you don't select it that way, it won't work correctly. Next, you're going to add an Fresnel effect. Next, you're going to add the R. So there's an RGBA. So the R, red, green, blue, and then transparency. The red, you're going to drag into the power, which looks now like this. And then you're going to add the metal color on top. And then you're going to right click, create node. You're going to create node, and then you're going to add a multiply node. Then you're going to multiply the metal color on the A, and then out of the Fresnel effect. Here we go, we have a metal shader. Now just drag the out to the albedo, the PBR master of the main. So here we go, this is a quick little metal shader tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. And as a way, just please join my Discord server. The link is in the description below. And I would really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to all of your friends. And thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.